Hello everyone, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solution Coimbatore greets you with Merry Christmas, Happy New Year and Happy Pongal 2023. We gift you with mega discount of flat 50% off on all our products. We have the kit materials to change your normal vehicles into electrical vehicles that suits the fast moving world. All our products are of best quality and also comes with 6 month to 1 year warranty. We have many models like electrical bicycle kits from 250 watts to 350 watts, BLDC motor kits from 800 watts to 1500 watts, Scooty Activa kits from 1000 watts to 1500 watts, bike motor kits from 1000 watts to 2000 watts. In this grand celebration, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solution launches their new product that is lithium-ion batteries and their chargers for bike conversion kits. Explore various types of electrical bicycle and its spare parts at our official website www.seesonlinestore.com and also avail easy EMI options. Book and get your orders delivered within 4 to 5 working days with a free delivery all over India. Are you still thinking and waiting for it? Just go for it. For more details, WhatsApp to 8122 050 530 and 99521 79130.